So we're just assessing the Partridge's van after his fire. We've got sort of melts around the fuel cap. The fire was located to this area here. He's got no damage to his switch gear or this up here, so it must have been centrally located. No damage to his handle. Looking down the back, we've got a little bit of melting down the back. That's just an earth cable with a little bit of melting down there. Might have a bit more. We've got a bit more down the bottom where it's been scorched down the back of the engine. You can see with the floor where it's all been melted down here where the fuel was spilt, and across the bottom. We're going to proceed by taking the fuel tank off and clean the fuel tank. I think the rubbers are still okay. We're not going to lift the rubbers out. So what we're going to go with is we're going to remove the tank, clean the fuel tank out. We're going to service the engine. While the fuel tank's off, we're going to repair the wires down the back. Got nothing melted inside the airbox. It hasn't sucked in any flames into the engine. I don't know if the engine was running or off when this went up. We can see it's been hot because the stickers started to lift down here. We have some discoloration around the unloader valve around the bottom, but the fuel pipes over here are untouched. That's just muck. Just Sid likes to keep his van mucky. Just looking at how hot it's been. Check out the damage to the pull cord handle. We've got bubbling on the paint around here, but fuel pipes are all intact down the bottom, as you can see here on the side of the engine. We've got stickers melted across here, so we're going to give it a full strip down and inspect it. Work over the weekend to get Sid up and running for Monday morning. So it's been hot enough down here to melt all of the arms and these brackets on the carburettor. Small amount of wiring damage down the back, but this is what we're finding just inside. So rebuilt the fire damage machine. New cap, new inner filter, new pull start unit, new carb parts hidden underneath here, wiring's fixed down the back. Give it a bit of a, so the first start's going to be like, see if I can do this with one hand. It's alive!